Hey everyone, it's Angel. I have an unboxing for you from Diamond Art Club and it is a square. And what do we have? Moon Goddess by Claire Studio. It is a square obviously and it's 55.8 centimetres by 83.7 centimetres, which is 22 by 33 inches. So, shall we take a look? Please note, I'm not going to go in depth with what's in the box and what Diamond Art Club is about. I'm just going to focus on the canvas and the drills more than anything, and a quick peek to see what washi tape and cover minder we have. Okay, we've literally got everything out. So you get your small sticker for your logbook. You purchase leaflet. I won't go in depth, but there you go. And I'm going to have a quick peek in the toolkit. You get everything that you need. Let's see what washi taper and cover minder I've got. That's a tray. Bag of switches, my 417 multi-places that I love, the wraps, tweezers, you only get them with squares. Oh, got an orange one. And I have another orange macaroon. I have now 3 oranges. And this is the washi tape I got from it. So there you go. Put that on my board. So this is the large sticker. Look at the pictures, stunning. I know it's going to be a lot of confetti because there's so much detail, but the colours are wonderful. So I have 2 sheets and it has 68 colours. It has a special crystal drill. And how many ABs do we have? We have 4 ABs. That special coating drill. And those are the symbols. Oh, I can't wait to work on this. Okay. Here's the bag of drills. Absolutely massive. And let's flip over the canvas. Oh wow, wow. Okay, let's bring you out, guys. Oops. There you go. Isn't she stunning? Wow. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pan over, show a little bit of the close-up, how clear the drills are. Her face is stunning. Oh, she's going to be beautiful to work on. Okay guys, I've sorted the drills and separated the ABs and the special drill. I'm going to go through the normal drills with you now. So yeah, let's make a start. We have 597. Oh, that's better, should focus. 597, 3840. We have 208, 3722, 3721, and 223. We have 677, 518, 3760, 826, and 739. And on its own is this 3835. We have 3834, 3747, 738, 798, 3842, and 221. We have 156, 3752, 3041, 951, 550, and 327. We have 3807, 3838, 3790, 3371, and 924. We have 3787, 825, 839, 822, 3861, 312, and 3042. We have 792, 841, 517, 311, 3839, and 3864. We have 415, 452, 318, 453, 3072, and 169. We have 159, 930, 820, 413, 2 bags of 413 there, and 37.99. We have 317, 2 bags of 317, 158, and 161. We have 2 bags of 823 and 2 bags of 336. So those are your blues and dark purples. We have 844, 803, 3 bags of 939. And then finally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 310, and then we have 414. Okay, so number 1, first AB is this light blue. Number 2 is this cream white, 106. And then number 3 is 121. The purple, as well as 136, another purple. Like, so you can tell there's slightly different shade, like that's a bluey purple and that's like a purple. And then this is not a crystal, this is a fairy dust. It is a Z3865, a white fairy dust, or a cream, I would say. White fairy dust. So, right, already I can see where they go. I'm going to do my best to show you. Now already I can see all the 2s on the moon, which is this AB here. 2s all around the moon, on her face, side of her face, some in her hair here, and all around the pattern area, in the stars as well. Let's move these out the way a sec, so you can see the stars. Loads in her hair, and and in the moon as well. There's 2s there, so that is your number 2. There's absolutely loads. Now these purples and blues, we don't get many of them, so you can see the crystals, where the crystals are going. But I think I have a feeling if I bring the canvas a little bit so I don't lean in too much. Here's me looking at her eyes, and her eyes are shut. Get a bit closer. So I'm trying to look for number 1, which is a light blue, but I can see 3s. There's some 3s dotted around, which is that dark purple. Yep. So, okay, I can see 3s. 3s. Can't see any ones. Oh, yeah. I can see a 1 there. I don't know if I can show you, but there's the ones. There's not many, but they are literally dotted around. And then you can see the 2s. You can see the 2s all edging as well, so you know what to look for. So let me just 3 is there. Can you see that 3? It's that dark purple. I'm trying to look for the 4, but I think I've got a funny feeling if I move you here, you can see the 4s here. There you go. Got some 4s, 2s. Oh, we've got some 1s as well. Got some 1s and 4s. You can see all the 2s, and there's more 1s there. I don't know if my finger is showing yet. The 1s there, so literally it's confetti everywhere, guys. Your crystals, no, not crystals, your fairy dust, do apologise, fairy dust ones are a dot. So if you see a dot, like there's a dot there and a dot there. Just literally bring it down here. There's your fairy dust drills, go right there. And there you have it, guys. Moon Goddess from Diamond Art Club. Are you going to get her? Are you working on her? is she in your stash? Please let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay amazing, and happy diamond painting. Bye.